The air crackles with energy, a palpable excitement that draws you in. The aroma of spices fills your nostrils, a heady mix of chili, garlic, and lemongrass that promises a culinary adventure. Welcome to the heart of Bangkok, Thailand, where the streets come alive as the sun sets. It's 2025, and the Yaowarat Road Night Market explodes with life, a bustling hub of activity and flavors. Food stalls line the bustling street, each one a beacon of light and aroma, inviting you to taste their offerings. Each one is a kaleidoscope of colors and flavors, a testament to the rich culinary heritage of the region. The sizzle of grilling meats mingles with the rhythmic clang of a wok, creating a symphony of sounds that is music to any food lover's ears. Street vendors work their magic, transforming raw ingredients into mouth-watering dishes right before your eyes. Their skilled hands move with practiced ease, a dance of precision and passion honed over years of experience. They transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces, each dish a work of art that tells a story. The scent of pad thai wafts through the air, a tantalizing blend of sweet, sour, and savory that beckons you closer. It's a symphony of sweet, sour, and savory, a perfect balance that dances on your taste buds. Next to it, a vendor crafts delicate mango sticky rice, a dessert that is as beautiful as it is delicious. The vibrant yellow mango contrasts beautifully with the white coconut rice, a visual and gastronomic delight. Every corner offers a new adventure for your taste buds, a chance to explore and discover new flavors. This is street food in 2025, a vibrant tapestry of global cuisines and local traditions. It's a vibrant tapestry of global cuisines and local traditions, a melting pot of flavors that reflects the diversity of the city. Let's dive in and explore, savoring each bite and soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of this culinary paradise. Street food is more than just a quick bite. It's a global phenomenon that transcends cultures and borders. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the night markets of Taiwan, street food is a universal experience that brings people together. It's a window into the soul of a culture. Street food tells stories of the people who make it and the places it comes from. Each dish is a narrative, a piece of history served on a plate. It whispers of history, tradition, and the unique flavors of a region. The aroma of spices, the sizzle of the grill, and the vibrant colors all speak of a rich culinary heritage. From the bustling markets of Marrakesh to the vibrant streets of Mexico City, street food is a universal language. It's a way to experience the world without leaving your hometown. It's a way to connect with people from all walks of life. Sharing a meal at a street food stall can break down barriers and create a sense of community. It transcends borders and languages. Whether you're in Tokyo or New York, the love for street food is a common thread that unites us all. In 2025, street food is evolving. It's adapting to modern tastes and trends, while still holding on to its traditional roots. It's no longer just about traditional dishes passed down through generations. Street food vendors are experimenting with fusion cuisine, blending flavors from different cultures to create something entirely new. It's about innovation, creativity, and pushing culinary boundaries. Street food is now a platform for chefs to showcase their creativity and culinary skills. Street food vendors are embracing new trends. They're using local ingredients, creating sustainable practices, and focusing on eco-friendly setups to reduce their environmental impact. They're catering to diverse dietary needs. From vegan to gluten-free options, street food is becoming more inclusive and accessible to everyone. Street food in 2025 is a vibrant blend of tradition and innovation. It's a celebration of culinary diversity, where the old meets the new, and where every bite tells a story. The world of street food is changing. Sustainability is a top priority. Vendors are ditching single-use plastics, they're opting for biodegradable packaging, they're minimizing food waste. Veganism is also on the rise. Street food vendors are responding with delicious plant-based options. Think jackfruit tacos, lentil burgers, and mushroom sauté skewers. The focus on local ingredients is stronger than ever. Vendors are partnering with local farmers and producers. This ensures fresh, high-quality ingredients. It also supports local communities. Technology is also playing a role. Mobile payment systems are becoming the norm. Online ordering and delivery platforms are expanding the reach of street food. But the heart of street food remains the same. It's about fresh, flavorful food. It's about connecting with people. It's about experiencing the true essence of a place. Let's embark on a culinary adventure. Our first stop, Mexico City, Mexico. Here the aroma of sizzling tacos fills the air. Imagine biting into a warm tortilla. It's filled with tender barbacoa, tangy salsa verde, and a squeeze of lime. Next stop, Mumbai, India. The streets are alive with the scent of spices. We indulge in a plate of pani puri. These crispy, hollow balls are filled with a tantalizing mix of potatoes, chickpeas, chutneys, and flavored water. Our journey continues to Tokyo, Japan. We find ourselves captivated by the artistry of takoyaki. These bite-sized octopus balls are drizzled with savory sauces and dancing bonito flakes. Each country, each city offers its unique flavors. Street food is a passport to a world of culinary delights. It's an invitation to explore, savor, and discover. Section 5, the faces behind the flavors. Behind every delicious dish is a passionate vendor. These culinary heroes are the heart and soul of street food. Take Mama Rose from Jamaica. She's been serving her legendary jerk chicken for over 20 years. Her secret? A blend of fiery Scotch bonnet peppers and aromatic spices. Then there's Mr. Lee in Singapore. He's the master of Hainanese chicken rice. His dish is simple yet perfect. It features tender poached chicken, fragrant rice, and a trio of dipping sauces. These vendors are more than just cooks. They're storytellers. They're keepers of tradition. They're ambassadors of their culture. When you support street food, you're supporting these individuals. You're contributing to their livelihoods. You're helping to keep their culinary traditions alive. Section 6. Technology and Tradition. Technology is changing the face of street food. From digital menus to online ordering systems, the integration of modern technology is becoming more and more prevalent in street food markets around the world. But it's not replacing tradition, it's enhancing it. Vendors are finding innovative ways to blend the old with the new, ensuring that the essence of street food remains intact while embracing the conveniences of modern technology. Mobile payment systems are making transactions smoother. No longer do customers need to fumble for cash. A quick scan of a QR code or a tap of a card is all it takes. Online platforms are connecting vendors with a wider audience. Through apps and websites, vendors can reach customers who might never have discovered their stalls otherwise. Social media is a powerful tool. It allows vendors to showcase their dishes, share their stories, and engage with their audience in real time. It allows vendors to showcase their dishes. Beautifully captured photos and engaging videos can entice potential customers and create a buzz around their food. It helps them connect with customers. Through comments, messages, and live interactions, vendors can build relationships and foster a loyal customer base. It builds a sense of community. Street food has always been about more than just the food. It's about the connections made over a shared meal. But technology hasn't diminished the importance of human connection. In fact, it can enhance it by providing new ways for vendors and customers to interact. The heart of street food remains the interaction, the smiles, the conversations, and the personal touches that make each visit unique. It's the friendly banter between vendor and customer. These moments of connection are what make the street food experience so special. It's the shared experience of enjoying a delicious meal together. Technology is a tool, but the essence of street food lies in the communal experience. It's up to the vendors to use it wisely. They can leverage technology to streamline their operations, attract more customers, and enhance their offerings. They can leverage it to enhance their business. By analyzing data and feedback, vendors can continuously improve and adapt to meet the needs of their customers. But they must never lose sight of the human element. The warmth, the hospitality, and the personal touch are irreplaceable. That's what makes street food so special. It's a blend of tradition and technology, but at its core, it's about people coming together to share a meal and create memories. Section 7, Street Food and Sustainability. Sustainability is no longer a trend, it's a necessity. Street food vendors are embracing eco-friendly practices. They're reducing their environmental impact. Single-use plastics are being replaced with biodegradable alternatives. Think sugarcane plates, bamboo cutlery, and paper straws. Food waste is being minimized through careful planning and portion control. Some vendors are even composting their food scraps. Sourcing local ingredients is another key aspect of sustainability. It reduces transportation emissions. It supports local farmers and producers. It promotes biodiversity. Street food vendors are leading the way in sustainable practices. They're proving that delicious food and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Section 8. The heart of the community. Street food is more than just food. It's a social experience. It brings people together. It fosters a sense of community. Imagine gathering around a food stall with friends. You're sharing stories, laughter, and a delicious meal. The aroma of spices fills the air. The sounds of the city create a vibrant backdrop. Street food markets are melting pots of cultures. They're places where people from all walks of life come together. They break bread together, they share stories. They connect over their shared love of good food. Street food reminds us that we're all connected. We all share a common human experience. It's a celebration of diversity, community, and the simple joy of a shared meal. Section 9. A call to adventure. The world of street food awaits. It's time to explore. Step outside your comfort zone. Venture beyond the familiar. Discover the hidden culinary gems in your own city. Support your local street food vendors. Engage with them. Learn their stories. Appreciate their craft. Every bite is an adventure. It's a journey of flavors, cultures, and human connection. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and experience the magic of street food. Your taste buds will thank you.